So welcome everyone, and thank you for sending the assignments. I did get the assignments from many of you, probably not each one of you, but I have got many assignments. I have looked at those assignments and I have some comments. Since the assignments were common for everyone, so the things to discuss are also like common. There is no real need to actually discuss each and every assignment. Um, uh, and after having looked at the work, few more points, like few more tips or guidance has come out. I will be sharing those. तो आप सब लोगों का फिर से स्वागत है. जिन लोगों ने असाइनमेंट्स भेजे उनको उनको एडिशनली थैंक यू. मैंने बहुत से असाइनमेंट्स देखे हैं. आज मेरा प्लान ये है कि मैं उन असाइनमेंट्स में जो कुछ कॉमन बातें मिली हैं मुझे वो मैं डिस्कस करूँगा आप लोगों के साथ. और इसके हिसाब से जो कुछ और नई चीज़ें, कुछ नए पॉइंट्स उभर कर आए हैं वो भी मैं आपको बताऊं, जिससे कि आप डॉक्यूमेंट्स को और बेहतर बना सकें. ऑल राइट. So, all right. So after having looked at the documents, I gave you two documents, exercise 1 and exercise 2. Exercise 2, I think, was challenging. Many people actually, many people made mistakes there actually. Not many of you were able to prepare it properly. The exercise 1, yeah, that one I think people to a large extent they have formatted it correctly. I will say in a better way, not exactly in the best way, but yeah, in relatively in a better way. So, but there are some like common things between many of the files that I have seen. So I will be discussing that with you very soon now. As per requirement, I will also share the screen. I've just started screen sharing. I will share the screen reader audio when necessary only. Okay. All right. Still people joining the call. All right. So in the document that you have sent me, I noticed that the heading formatting was not always optimal or the best. The size of the heading text is not always like the best. The space before and after the heading, that is also not most appropriate. तो आप लोगों ने जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स मुझे भेजे हैं उसमें मैंने नोटिस किया कि जो हेडिंग स्टाइल्स आपने लगाए, हेडिंग 1, 2, 3, इसमें कई तरह की कमियां दिखी मुझे. एक तो कौन से टेक्स्ट पे हेडिंग लगाया उसमें भी कई बार कुछ कमेंट्स हैं कि सूटेबल जगह पे हेडिंग नहीं लगाया या सूटेबल हेडिंग लेवल नहीं लगाया, और हेडिंग लगाने के बाद भी जो उसका फॉन्ट है वो हर बार अप्रोप्रिएट नहीं है. तो एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, इसको मैं थोड़ा डिटेल में डिस्कस करता हूँ और फिर आपको टाइम देता हूँ क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए. So I will discuss about headings a little more and give you time to ask questions. So in Microsoft Word, what happens is when you apply heading styles like heading 1 or 2 or 3, it changes the appearance of the text, and it chooses a certain font and size, color. But these things can be different in different computers. Anybody can customize. Anybody can have a customized or slightly different heading style. So what it means is, on my computer, if I apply heading 1 style, the look and feel of that text may be different when you yourself apply heading style. When we kind of install Microsoft Word, the default should always be the same, but as we keep working on it, and so knowing or unknowingly, we may be changing things. So after applying heading style, if you are creating a really important document, it is also important to manually check what happened. What is now the size of the heading, color, font, everything. In particular, the space before and after the heading. So before and after the headings, there should be more space. In last session, I explained that before and after paragraphs, we should keep 6 points or 10 points preferably or more. But before and after headings, there should be relatively more space than between paragraphs. So these things have to be manually checked. Once you are comfortable, you know how the heading styles work, you have corrected the defaults, then you may not need to manually look at the heading style again and again, but otherwise you need to look at it manually. So in the documents that you have sent, I noticed that heading 1 style is say 16 points, which is good. Heading 2 style is 13 points. Heading 3 style is maybe 11 points or 12 points. All of them have blue color probably or some other color. So these things are like can be considered again. Say for example, I think heading 1, if you are keeping 16, heading 2, I suggest 14, heading 3, probably 13. If the body text is 11, then heading 3 is 13, and if you by chance have heading 4, then that can be 12 font size, so that the heading sizes are relatively bigger than the other body text. So this is what I noticed, that you applied heading style, it used the default sizes, colors, in particular the spacing before and after headings, they were not really great. तो डिफॉल्ट हेडिंग स्टाइल्स हमेशा अच्छे नहीं रहते, आपको कई बार मैनुअली जाकर के चेक करना पड़ता है कि क्या हेडिंग स्टाइल, क्या साइज अप्लाई हुआ, क्या कलर आया, इनको मैनुअली चेंज करना पड़ सकता है। और अच्छी बात यह है कि एक बार आप मैनुअली चेंज कर लें तो आप पूरे डॉक्यूमेंट में सेम हेडिंग स्टाइल को अपडेट या कॉपी पेस्ट कर सकते हैं। तो ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, जरूरत पड़े तो मैं आपको डेमो करके भी दिखाऊंगा। अभी अगर इस पॉइंट पे मुझसे कोई कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता है तो वेलकम है, आप लोग मुझे अभी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं इस बारे में। यू कैन आस्क क्वेश्चंस अबाउट दिस हेडिंग्स पॉइंट इफ यू वांट टू।
If we have to add heading level 4, how to add it?
Okay, good. So there are keyboard shortcuts for heading 1, 2 and 3, but there is a styles panel. Okay, in the home ribbon there is a styles button. From there we can open styles panel, or else you can also press Control Shift S. Okay, Control Shift S. This will also open the heading, the styles list actually. In the styles list, you will get all the heading levels, heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and several other styles. Many styles are there. So that list can be used. Okay, keyboard shortcuts are only for the first 3. Let me actually show you maybe one of the documents. Just we can discuss the problems in 1 or 2 of the documents.
Full speech.
Okay. So I have opened a Word document, one of the exercise documents sent by one of you. Uh, this one, um, let me first focus on the headings. So let's see. Now,
Heading Level 1 Situation Update Report.
Situation Update Report. This is a heading.
Alert, Vikas Gupta has entered the waiting room for this.
This is one of the heading styles. Let's see what is the font color and other things.
Alert, Vikas Gupta.
So currently,
Alert, Vikas.
The text size and color, what is it? Let's see.
Leaving menu. 16 points, steel blue 4 on white, Cambria, heading 1 style, line spacing, 0 lines, paragraph formatting, aligned.
Okay, 16 point size, Cambria.
Alert.
It is some blue, kind of some blue color. Okay. Actually, as we have discussed earlier, as far as possible, we should avoid colors. Okay. Because why? Because say, for example, this document will be printed. So most likely people will print in black and white anyway. So the blue color will come out in some shade of black and white, which may not exactly look great. So it is always better, I think, for headings and all, and for the body text to use mostly black color only, and use color only sparingly when you think it's very important. So this is one thing. By default, the heading style that you apply, it gets some color, which is not always preferred.
March 20, heading level 2 highlights. 13 points, steel blue 4 on white, Cambria, heading 2 style, line spacing, 1 lines, paragraph formatting, aligned.
Okay, now this heading 2 style, it is 13 point size. Line spacing is 1 line. And visually, if people can see this, then the space between this and the paragraph below is like not much, like it's just as if it is any normal paragraph, not like a heading. And the space before this also is also quite uniform. So we should actually manually change these things. So let me show you how to do it. For example, this is heading 2 style. I want to change this.
Highlight.
So I select it. Now manually I will go into the font dialog box or the paragraph dialog box. Say for example, I'm going into maybe font first.
Control D. Font dialog. Alt F.
Font, let me change the font. Maybe
Alert.
I will choose for say Arial.
Arial.
Size I will choose 14.
Font.
Style I'm choosing bold.
Italic. Bold. Size
I will choose 14.
14.
Color I will choose black. Okay.
Font color accent 1 button, color picker table.
All right.
Font color text print.
And now I will also, most importantly, make sure it has enough space before and after. So I go into paragraph dialog box.
Applications, copy, font, paragraph, menu,
paragraph dialog box. Before and after is what I have to change. So
before edit spin box 2 pt.
So currently before the paragraph space is only 2 points, which is very, very less. Too less for a heading.
6 alert 6 pt 18 12 pt.
I will make it at least 12 or more actually, but let's see for now 12.
6 pt.
And below 6. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, you can choose higher, more space also.
Print edit.
So visually the appearance has changed now, and if I have many heading 2s in the document, then I need not
alert. Amit Pahuja has joined the meet.
If I have many heading 2s in the document, no need to manually go and correct them. I can just press application key.
Applications, met, synonym, hyper, styles.
Style submenu.
Leaving met.
And I will get an option, update heading 2 to match selection.
Med, clear for, select all text, save, select, update heading to the match selection, P.
Okay, in context menu, style submenu, you find update heading 2 to match selection.
Leaving menu.
So what will now happen is, in this document, if I had more heading level 2s, all of them will also have the same font and space before and after and everything. So this trick is needed in documents, because as I told you, by default it may not have the best appearance, right?
Alert, Redmi has left menu. Admit alert, Redmi has joined the meet. Alert.
Okay, तो मैंने अभी आपको ये बताया
Alert.
कि हेडिंग स्टाइल का
Alert.
मैनुअली फॉन्ट और स्पेस वगैरह सब कैसे बदलते हैं, और आप उसको सेलेक्ट करके स्टाइल्स के अंदर अपडेट का ऑप्शन ले सकते हैं। ये अपडेट हेडिंग स्टाइल्स का ऑप्शन अगर कॉन्टेक्स्ट मेन्यू में नहीं मिलता, जो कि नए वर्ड में नहीं मिलेगा, तो फॉर्मेट मेन्यू में सॉरी द होम रिबन में स्टाइल्स बटन पे क्लिक करने के बाद उस मेन्यू में मिलता है ये अपडेट स्टाइल, तो वहां से लेना पड़ता है। अल्टरनेटिवली मैं इस स्टाइल को कॉपी पेस्ट भी कर सकता था। ये मैं इसको सेलेक्ट करके कंट्रोल शिफ्ट सी,
copying,
कंट्रोल शिफ्ट सी टू कॉपी द स्टाइल and go below wherever I find heading 2.
Heading level 3 situation.
This is 3 actually. Is there a 2?
Bullet. Heading level 2 Indie home.
Here it is.
Indie.
So I manually apply the heading style on it. I just press Control Shift V.
Applied format.
To apply the correct style on it. So this thing, I saw that most of you were not aware of probably, and so you have not done this.
Alert from Yajish to everyone. Actually, MS Word is giving steel blue color to headings by default.
Yes, that's what the default color is blue, which is kind of okay for reading on the screen, not for printing. And accessibility wise also, it's not like a preferred thing, so I suggest that you change it. Okay.
Control F6.
All right. So in headings, this is what I noticed in your homework. I also noticed a variation in font name, font size.
Alert, Red.
Throughout the
Alert,
document.
Redmi has joined the.
So as I told you, preferably we should have like maybe only 2 fonts, maybe 1 or 2 or maximum 3. 3 only if there is a reason. Okay, otherwise no need to use too many fonts. But what happens is like when you copy paste text from several places, they will have different fonts. So the exercise 1 file I gave you, at least after formatting, when I received from you, I saw that it has 2 or 3 fonts, 3 or even sometimes 4 fonts. So why? Because in the beginning also it had maybe 2 fonts, and then when you applied some styles, then again new fonts came up. Sometimes within the same paragraph also some words have different fonts. So this doesn't give a good appearance. Okay, तो जरूरत से ज्यादा फॉन्ट्स ठीक नहीं रहते। जैसे मैंने सिंपल आपको एक्सरसाइज 1, 2 वगैरह काफी सिंपल फाइलें भेजी थी, तो इसमें तो जो बॉडी टेक्स्ट है वो एक फॉन्ट में और हेडिंग्स में भी दूसरा फॉन्ट, इतना भी काफी है, इससे ज्यादा की जरूरत नहीं है। हम जल्दी बात करेंगे कि कैसे पता करें कितने फॉन्ट्स हैं और कैसे उसको ठीक करें, इसकी भी बात करेंगे। तो लेकिन ये एक एग्जांपल के लिए मैं बता रहा हूँ कि फॉन्ट्स में जरा प्रॉब्लम्स थी। स्पेसिंग में भी काफी प्रॉब्लम्स मिली है मुझे आप लोग के कई डॉक्यूमेंट में, कि शायद आपको याद नहीं रहा कि पैराग्राफ के ऊपर नीचे या लाइन स्पेसिंग वगैरह बदलना है, तो ये काफी मुझे कमियां मिली हैं आप लोग के फाइलों में कि स्पेसेस प्रॉपर नहीं थे। 1-2 लोगों ने अच्छा काम भी किया है, तो स्पेसिंग की कमी है। मैं आपको भी एक एग्जांपल दिखाता हूँ।
Space, speech on demand.
So this document that I am showing you currently on screen, it has reasonably good spacing. Spacing is not a problem in this one. But then let's look at some other document, and then I think you will see a lot of difficult issues in the. Okay. Some people have also tried to do like customize quite a lot. That is also good. So this document, let's see how is the space and all. So I can manually also select a paragraph, check in the paragraph spacing.
Applications menu, bullet, paragraph, menu, paragraph. After text, edit spin box 0, special. By edit spin. Mirror indents checkbox. Before edit spin box 12 pt. After edit spin box alert Renuka Bagada.
So before 12, after 10, which is a reasonably good spacing.
Menu alert use. Escape.
In this document at least.
Alert user PC has joined the. Alert renew. Alert renew.
So in this at least there is a reasonably good
space. Speech on demand.